Hi, Mick. Hello, Rebel. What do you mean late? Not late at all. I had a good night's sleep. Mostly. Still woke up during the night, but it was nice. So much sleep and I'm still tired. Hello, Rebel and Mick. Chill and relax. Unfortunately, always, yeah. It's console day. Only 2 consoles. Wow, it's so cold in here. Everything's struggling. Everything's struggling to work. So this one I'm changing the MOSFETs, the VRM MOSFETs. I'm doing probably 2 at a time until it stops shutting itself down. But what I'm going to do is strip it down, look under the thermal cam, see which one is getting too hot or not lighting up when I'm playing a game. So I can kind of narrow down which FET it is. Oh, the devil's lettuce. Yeah. Hello, Zern, Pico. Oh, God. No, not that number. So I know. Oh, I think I did work on this one, by the way. There's me saying I only done an internal clean, but that HDMI port feels nice. So I think I may have done a HDMI replacement on it. I'll have a look. Picotronics is Sonic. Rick. Hi, Rick. Rick. Oh, God, that's stuck in there. Oh.
I've got a really small one.
Have you, James? Yeah, I've done
I'm
that.
not joking.
Thanks.
It's like...
Is it MK? Bloody hell. Yeah, I've changed from top chat to live chat, or vice versa. Oh. Yeah, I think I've probably changed the HDMI on this one. It feels good. Fun. Hi, Graph Puddle. Sorry, it's console day today. PS5 and the Xbox One S. I put them off yesterday so I could do everything else but consoles, but today's consoles. I said I'll try to get this one done today. If not, it'll be the latest on Monday. Yeah, Mick, did I give you 60 watt bulbs as well? Or was it just 150 watt bulbs? Because you'll probably need a lower wattage bulb for the smaller appliances or whatever you're testing on the dim bulb tester. Because 150 watts won't probably light up hardly, unless you're drawing a lot of current. Not sure. I'll check when I get back from mum. Oh, you're at your mum's. What are you doing watching me? Get back to your mum. It's lovely weather today. A bit cold, but the sun is out. And I'm stuck doing this, otherwise I'll be washing my car. Looked at the weather for tomorrow. It's bloody raining again. I'm kind of screwed. But I want to get all this done by 3 because football's on again. Let's see if I have changed this HDMI. Yeah, I have. I thought I had. That port felt really nice. Yeah, I've changed the HDMI on it because you can see my soldering. There's my solder balls, blobs, whatever they are. All right, let's look under the thermal cam and see which one is going crazy when I load a game. Now, I might need the aerial plugged in to play Arc Raiders. So let's try that. White and a black. I'm wondering if I should hook this up to the PC again. I don't know, Andy. It's up to you. Well, if I do, I'm going to have to try and connect my mic to another USB-C cable, because the one that works with this is currently being used for my mic. Wherever my phone is. Cable. Yeah. Hey, GP. I think I said hello anyway. I just went, hi, babes. Okay. Let's have a look. Thing is, the fan. Oh, stuff the fan. Oh, do I have the fan? Oh, it's a digital edition. So they all look like they're lighting up fine. It looks down here that's that's not. So these ones look lit up. These ones don't. Yet. Let me try and run a game, because they might light up when a game runs. Arc Raiders. Wait for it to connect to the internet, which it won't because it's not set up on my computer. Oh, are they lighting up now? They're warming up. Yeah, I think they're warming up now. Nope. Maybe not. No, they're still not lighting up. Don't say all of them have gone. No way. Does the game ever... What? Acetone? What are you on about? What's going on my PC? I think it's just too cold to operate. Yeah, look, half of these FETs are not lighting up. Oh, for God's sake, my PC must be really cold. It won't let me hit Windows. I was having this issue yesterday trying to shut down. The game usually runs. Oh, you're a real cool kid. There you go, now it's working. Set. Why is it doing that? I can't click on anything. Do I have a virus or something? It's just automatically closing Windows button. Well, I'll do it this way. Settings. Mobile hotspot on. Okay. So if I hit the Windows button, look what happens. See, it closes itself. Windows. Now it's not even an opening. No, now I can't even hit it. I couldn't even shut it down properly last night. Aggie Andy. Nah, not today. Nope, I can't even click Windows now. Oh, there it goes. Open. And it's closed. You blame OBS? Nah, it was doing this when I closed OBS last night because I was trying to shut the PC down. I had to do Control-Alt-Delete and then hit the little power button down there. But something's constantly loading. What? Task Manager, where are you? Just my normal stuff. No idea what that is. Ack Kingston Dramhall. Anti-malware core. Anti-malware. CPU's okay. Memory's okay. Nope. It's going to close again. Look. There you go. What the fudge? Oh, wow. Right. I think we might be connected to the internet. So let's have a look now when we load Arc Raiders. Okay, the next one lights up. These are lighting up now. But they don't light up much. Wait, oh, there you go. Now they're lighting up. Wait, these two top ones are barely lighting up. These two top ones here. I'll go into a game. It might just be those top two. Yeah, these two are barely lighting up. Could be. I'll start off with those two anyway, which will be better for me because it's more space. Yeah, these two are not lighting up, are they? We're in the game now, and then it's still not lit up, so they're not working. Bloody hell, long, loud. Yeah, it's a junk PS5, Joseph. Oh, it's just shut off. There you go, it's just shut off. So I think it's these two. So that's good. There you go, it's just shut itself off. Can't even load a game. Now the question is, which ones are they, and do I have replacements of those ones? Because I want to do like for like. I don't enjoy this repair on this type of PS5s. It might be quick and easy. It might be a long process. Let's have a look, Shay. God, it's so stiff. So it's the AYBO. AYBOs. Let's see if I've got any spare AYBOs. AYBO. What's this one? This one is... doesn't look the same. This one. Don't know. What's this one? AYBOs? Yes, perfect. Okay, there's my replacement ones. Hopefully they're not dead neither. So I'm going to pull off these ones first. Off of the donor board. At least you found the problem. Well, hopefully, UART said it was a VRM issue before, when it was beep on, beep off. That's the first thing I checked. It was a VRM issue. And then all of a sudden, when I cleaned down here on, this is the donor board. When I cleaned down here off of the non-working PS5, it suddenly started powering on when I went to check under the thermal cam. So, hopefully this is it. So I just want these two. Which this blue stuff's a pain. You know how it is. Black and yellow, black and yellow. Without damaging the other components around it. I am going to try and keep some of this blue stuff. Yo, damn, it's early. What are you doing, man? Go to sleep. Hello, Blue Saber. Go to sleep. What time is it for you? Got up for an old man pee. Good luck with the repair. Thank you. It's not the most fun repair. I just hope it works. Don't like this one. Done it once before and I didn't like it. Okay, that should be clean enough to get them out. I just came out of the ER. Oh no. Oh, I hope everything's okay. Hello, Queggle. Bye bye, Resistor. What Resistor?
Oh no!
This is a donor board anyway, so I'm not fussed. I'm taking these off first. What resistor are we referring to? Did I knock a resistor off? Above the top one. Oh, did I? No, still there. Or am I blind? Yeah, well, someone broke his hand, but he didn't. Oh, we assumed. Oh, right, that's good. Nah, the resistor's still there anyway. That looks like a capacitor more than a resistor. 11:26 a.m. Same time as the host. Yes, it is. Hello, Worms. How are we doing, Andy? Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. I'm okay, thank you. Just got to do a repair that I'm not looking forward to. Because it can be a very hard process because I've got to replace these, then I've got to test it. Then if it don't work, I've got to take it apart again, then test it. Just swollen. Hopefully in a few days go back to normal. That's awesome. Good. Thank you. Yeah, I've only got 2 jobs on today, which is good because football and it's Saturday. Don't really want to work too hard on a Saturday. I still haven't informed the customer about the speaker. I will do that today. Right, that's 1 down. It's 2 down. Okay. Thank you, donor board. You served your purpose. I do want to clean these MOSFETs up first. Oh, there is a little capacitor there. Oops. Big fan of the colours of the PLD. I know, it's amazing, isn't it? Swindon's still doing well. Swindon? Swindon is, yeah. Thank you, Worms. Swindon is doing a plenty well. Let me just try and clean all this blue stuff off. If you're on about business-wise, yeah, it's okay. Some really difficult repairs lately, though. Which is not a bad thing. Football. Oh, yeah, I think we're 2nd or 3rd. Oops, sorry, Worms. I think we're 2nd still in the league. Last time I checked. Which is good. Dave's another VRM failure. Oops. Oh no. Okay. Although our last match, the opposite team done an own goal. So it was like, yes, idiots. Where's my? Oh, there it is. No greeting in chat, please. I still want to send my Switch Lite to fix. I can't remember what's wrong with it. Shipping's going to be expensive for you now. Hello? What's going on? You're not accepting solder again. Doesn't look like it. There you go, finally. Did I do that side? I think I did. Yeah, my tip's playing silly buggers. Turn around every now and then. Yeah, I'm gonna have to sort my tip out. It's not putting it on there, is it? For God's sake, man. What is up with my tip? Take it. Nope.
Oh no!
Yeah, it's not taking solder at the tip of my tip. Oh, now it is. Well, okay. It's way too much. Okay. That I'll live with. That's fine. Cool. Right, that's one done. Oh no, I use conical tip. Yeah, this is a conical tip though. Not as much as Sweden postage. Ah, that's true. Can I buy a board modded? Unfortunately, I don't mod boards anymore. I don't do modding. Unfortunately. No, I'm gonna have to sort out my iron. I don't have the chips in now. Copyright. 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 Hello, it's from Electronic Repairs. Hi. Yeah. Where did you take it, if you don't mind me asking? You don't have to answer. Oh. Okay. Yeah. One, that's quite an expensive, and two, for it to fail already, that's shocking. Yeah, but it is, sorry, £55, and it comes with 3 months warranty and an internal clean while inside. But if there's quite a lot of damage done by the previous shop or wherever it's gone to, I might have to add a bit more. Depends if there is any damage to the pads or whatever. Um, it'll have to be Monday. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's fine. Yes. Yeah, that's actually perfect. I'm in all day anyway next week, so whenever's best for you, any time, any day. Okay, awesome. I will take pictures for you, but I do also live stream the repairs, so you'll be able to see everything on YouTube anyway, to see the previous damage and stuff. So yeah. Yeah, I appreciate that. Thank you. All right, I'll see you Monday. All right, take care. Bye. Wow. I don't know if you guys heard that. They got the HDMI port and the PS5 repair done. I think they said last week. They paid £120 and it's wobbly, really wobbly. Yep. That's £120 for a HDMI pair. Why did they even pay that much? That's why I asked. Oh, where did you get it done? But apparently they're in Devon, so. And then they saw me online, saw my reviews, and they said they'd rather get it fixed by somebody who knows what they're doing. I said, I live stream now. I'll take pictures if you want to see it. See the damage, what they've done and whatnot. So, for peace of mind as well, isn't it? Right, this isn't really... Have I done this side? Previously worked on PS5, but sounds of it already failed. Yeah, I almost forgot today is Love Glove Day. Yes, it is. Oh God, Valentine's Day, whatever. What I've got to sort my iron out big time. I think that's all of them. Did I do all of them? Did I do this side? Yeah, that looks good enough. Okay, that'll do. They want someone who knows what they're doing and they still came to you. Oi! That was a rip-off. I guarantee my work. Yeah, I know. Same. How can a repair shop do such a bad job and charge 120? I bet it was a phone shop. That's probably what it is. Alti! Hello. Hi and bye. Hi, bye. It should not fail. So no, I know. So I reckon they've probably done a lot of damage to it. The pads and everything, most likely. I don't know. We'll see. It's coming Monday. I'm hoping it is just these two FETs. Pray for me, guys. I want to get this one out of my way. I went to some bloke named Koda. Yeah. It's not the first time I've heard that, though. Unfortunately. I had two people come to me after going to the Koda. But there's always two sides to every story, though, isn't there? Repair shops charge way too much for little quality. The issue is, okay, and I state this on my website, repair shops, they want a quick turnaround, and that's why. And obviously where they're a shop, they have to charge a bit more to cover the costs of like running the shop. So I kind of understand why they charge that much, but you should still do good quality work, really. You should still do quality work, but obviously they don't. They just want a quick turnaround, and that's when mistakes are made. Yep, overhead cost. Yeah, exactly that. But 120 worms. 120. Not £100, £120. That's just mental amount. That's double. Well, almost double. Mine. It is over double. Eight-bit Chris, hello. I'm shocked someone would pay that. Well, if that's the first person they went to. Yeah, I did work on this before. I did a HDMI port repair. There's me saying I put a warranty sticker on when I just did an internal service. But I did a HDMI port repair. Where I live, shops want $150. Yeah, see, dollars is different though, and I know that. I think Chatfix Aaron, he charges $150 or $175 if same day. Hello, David. Crazy and failed in a week. Would at least expect a good job when they're paying that. 100%, definitely. Right, I need to get this goop off. Well, there's quite a lot on this one. Might be easier to get off. I'm gonna try and keep it in clumps. Thanks to Dave's unbranded tip saying to use a Q-tip or a cotton bud if you're English. Kind of works well until it gets caught into places where it doesn't want to shift. All right, let me just try and remove them, and then I should be able to clean all the blue stuff off. But wait, you get 125. That's still pretty good. That's more than what I bloody get. Wow, look how dark that looks. I know you can't see it at the minute. Look, why is that so dark all of a sudden? All right, let's get this off. Whoops. Good morning, Andy. MacGyver, hello. How are you today? I'm a lot better than yesterday, thanks. You have a personal question. Have you ever been in prison? You don't have to answer, just nod your head. No, I've never been to prison. Thanks for asking. I would sell the console's faulty and just buy a new one at that price. Yeah. Don't worry, I don't have to worry about these capacitors because I'm redirecting the heat. I've just noticed that they're there, but... I fixed HDMI port on an Xbox Series S and I had to go back and it had to go... Oh, I fixed... And it had to go back and fix it for free just because of a rogue blob of solder fell onto the port. Ooh. Come on, man. Come off. There you go. So those are the potential dead ones. So I'm going to put them in the bin. This Xbox Series X kicking my ass by what's going on with it. Undergrow, hi, amazing Andy. Hello, amazing Undergrow. Then what's on your hand? It's my name. It's just my name. Was that board left in the snow? I don't know why it looks blue under it. I think it's the exposure that I've got it set on. It's like on, like positive exposure because it's too dark otherwise. Where I've got an anti-glare, so it balances it out. All right, how's that cleaning up? Oh, what? I've still knocked a capacitor. That's the other board and this board. Oh, wow, no cap, no shorted cap, right? I think that might be clean enough. Oh, no. I've not heard a command. Yes, I have. I have heard commands. Right, I think that's good. So I'm just going to try and tin on the outside. Not the inside. And then I'm going to replace that capacitor.
Oh no!
Exactly, I know. To the right of the electrolyte. Is it still there, is it? I don't see it. No, wait, I think it's a separate one. Yeah. Oh, you're talking about the one next to the resistor, between the resistor and the cap? Electrolytic. Yeah, it looks like it's out of place, but it's not. Right, let's see if my iron's going to... Yes, it's accepting solder now. But there's no flux up here. Sick. Nope. Oh, wait, hang on. My iron's only on 300 degrees. Bloody hell. That may explain it. Can't heat up, thank you. Oh, my watch is going flat. That needs a bit more solder on there. Oh, wait, there it is. Was that the cap? I don't know. cool. I think that's good enough. Smoker, Aurelia, yeah, live one. Oh, Joseph. Why am I not hearing sounds? Did it make a sound for you guys? Ah, there we go.
At Joseph_Neil_the_Lilliput became a member.
Ooh, thank you, Joseph. Legend. Yeah, that would get you loyal customers. Oh, but he told me to... Oh, missed it. Sorry, I missed the comment. Nope. There it is. I rejoined so I could use your bin emote. Aw, thank you. Hey, there it is. You didn't have to. Right, I need to see what capacitor it is. Well, it's above every other FET anyway, so as long as I take it off of the other board. Off of this one. Whoops. Hitting everything. It's okay. Oh, too cute. Hang on. Oh yeah, that one's missing too. So I'll just take that one if I could get to it. Get off! Go away! At least my bin has wheels. Yeah, yeah, it does. For God's sake, I hate this stuff. Go away. Yeah. Ah, copyright. Copyright. You can't hear it though. Hello, Swindon Electronic Repairs. Hi. I'm afraid I don't do TV repairs anymore. Sorry. All right. Thank you. Bye. Nope, not in Swindon, I'm afraid. Sorry. All right. Cheers, mate. Bye. No more TV repairs. You'll have to record a song for your ringtone. I know. Thing is, I don't know if that's on or not because I think it is. We demand your ringtone to be changed and yelling copyright. Absolutely not. Juiced. Hi, Juiced. Have you been in here before? I can't remember. Hot glue saves again. Yeah. Nice thing about living in the country, we get to burn our trash for free, but we don't burn plastic or oils. We do try our best to recycle what we can. Oh, fair play. No, just joined. Oh. Because you're always in here, so I actually don't know. There you go. I think that's soldered on. Yeah. Okay, now it's time for me to get the FETs on. I think the P was on bottom left, wasn't it? Start off with this one first. Yeah, it's got to be span around. Okay. Right, let's see how this goes.
At Joseph underscore Neil underscore the underscore Lilliput
Wait,
became a
what?
member. At Joseph underscore Neil underscore the underscore Lilliput celebrates 4 months of membership. Wow,
Oh.
I have this the use, so here it is.
Thank you. I'm so confused. But didn't you just become a member already? Thanks, Joseph. Or has it just come up as... I don't know. I'm so confused. It's a milestone on YouTube. Oh, is it? Oh, thank you. That's good. Don't know what that means. Wow, you 4 months. What, you could set them off? Say, look, tell people how long you've been a member for. Ah, it's slightly moved. That does not look straight to me. For God's sake, man. Do you know what that does? That's 1. I think that's good enough. Could be wrong. It could probably be, yeah, be moved a little bit more to the right. It's so hard to do it because I don't want to damage the capacitors. Ah! Ah! So I'm just leaving it like that. Yeah, leaving it like that. That looks good. Hello, John. Mostly try to, if I can't watch, I try to keep the stream on for the +1 winner. Thank you. Got to go. See you later. Bye, Joseph. Thank you. Bye. Bless him. Right, that's 1 done. Now it's this next one. Again, I can't see where the P is on here. Till it goes under the scope. Damn it. Oh, there it is. It's at the top right. So it needs to be spun around. Like so. This board's so hot, which is good. So hard to line up. I guess that's aligned, not as well, but there we go. Let's try that. That'll do. These are all on the same rail, so I don't have to worry about too much about that. Talking about bins, I don't like burning trash, but the price of dropping off it is outrageous, and forget to pick up in the country. Ooh. It's because my hobby is burning trash. Alty still in here? No, he's gone. Alty went. I don't reckon this will power on. It's probably going to be blue light of death again. I have a feeling. They're probably not going to be soldered on very well. Eh? Why is it not pushing down into the power supply? Is it this? Oh, it's that. Okay. Come on, be more optimistic. So basically, even though we do recycling, it makes no difference as they tend to dump it anywhere. Oh shit, that's terrible. I'll try to be more optimistic. Optimistic. Casual that smokes. That's what you say. How can you tell? Right. I'll plug in this. Plug in the power button. Right. Thing is, the LED's broken on this ribbon cable sort of thing. So I don't know if it will actually, if it's white light or what. I would say the 8 in a day. 8 in a day. Let's have a look. Is it going to power on? No, see? Told you it would be blue light. It's one of those MOSFETs that's not on properly. Oh, they're so picky. I guess when I know when it'll power on because that won't flash. No, the big ribbon isn't needed, but I shouldn't have left that out there. I should have pulled it out. Is this the one that sometimes works? Yeah. Well, it works, but it shuts off during the game. Don't know if I should just go around touching them up. It's so hard to see. Oh, thank you. Sorry. See, that looks a little bit off, doesn't it? But then I might just go around with the iron quick. Don't know, it doesn't look too badly off. This one looks okay. Iron the lump. Nah, it's fine. But I'll touch it up anyway. Let me try and move this one slightly down a bit. And this one needs to go to the right a bit. All right, let's try that. There? Okay, I think that looks good. There? Yeah. Now I'll go around touching it up with the iron, maybe. You're on thin ice with those pads. What do you mean? Because of the snow? And it needs more likes. Thank you. I'll try and read chat in a second. This is so stressful. Oh, it's easier to do it this way around. They're all on the same pad anyway. Can't see what's going on really. Just burning everything. It's not really getting in there. Do you know what? I'll have to do, see what that does. I know it's bridged there, but it's all on the same path. Maybe I need to update my YouTube on my PC. Oh, what did I miss? Don't forget to hit the like, thank you. You're on a thin ice with those pads. It's the caps that scare me. Yeah, I know. It's very close. I mean, moving the chip like that. Right, there we go. I refresh my page. Now I see 18 likes. Thank you, Acetone. Hello, Dan. Long time no see, man. Hello, DJC. Hope all is well, and everyone. I hope so too. I think that looks more aligned this time. Let's give that a test. If not, then I've got to keep changing them until it works. I hate doing these MOSFETs. Been working and moving. Ooh. Been moving far. Right, for once, what I'm not looking for is this to light up. We want to see it not light up when it beeps. Opposite, about 10 miles. Oh, that's not too bad. Oh, there you go. Okay, so we don't want to see this light up when I press the power button. Then I know it's turning on. You seem more chirpier than yesterday. Oh, really? Thank you. I'm not. Damn it. It's going to work. Not going to work. Sorry. Why? Guess I'll change the MOSFETs out. But I'm not going to tin up the new ones. I'm just going to slap it on there. Well, I said new ones. Does anyone else have this issue when doing these FETs? It's like maybe they're sensitive and they don't like much heat. Maybe it burnt out. Got the PS5 during the setup, the controller stopped working, USB stopped working, found out it only works in safe mode. Oof. I have no idea. That's a weird one. Okay, let me do a quick swap. So I'll quickly take off 2 more, which is annoying. Yeah, maybe they died under heat. Doing well today, thanks. Good. The issue is they live in heat. Yeah, but not 400 odd degrees heat. It's all right. I'll just quickly take off 2 more. You got a way to test the chip? Only for shorts. This is what happened last time. It kept going blue light of death, but when I stopped the stream and I'd done it off stream, it worked. That's one. That's two. That sounded like it popcorned on that one. Doesn't help the board not being straight too. It's on a pivot. Maybe if I... Yeah, that might help it a little bit. See, they look on there perfect. Don't know. Well, let me clean these ones up. Toltec knows quite a bit. Yeah, he does, Toltec. If you're here, Toltec Merc, if you're lurking, do you have issues changing these MOSFETs as well? Are they very picky? Are they sensitive to heat? Most likely is watching, or it might be too early for him. Hopefully I can watch Toltec next time he's live and ask him, the godfather of PS5s. Yeah, he is. Just trying to get the blue stuff off the new ones because I don't want it interfering with the solder at the bottom. Okay, I think we're good on both chips now. I'm trying to get them in the same orientation as they need to be. Where's the P? Is that the P there? I think so. The P there? Yeah, P there. Where's the P on this one? Oh yeah, there as well. Wicked. Okay, they're both the right orientation. What did you do to the PS5, Dan? It's 7 a.m. here. I believe it's the same as me. Oh, right. Okay, that's well early then. Yeah, you won't be here yet. I don't think he wakes up first. We're like, quick, Andy's on. Let me have a look. Mr. Swindler, do you have to change them all for it to work? No. Thankfully. For God's sake, man. Does it need more flux down or something? Oh, now I've lost the orientation. There. Come on, solidify. Thank you. All right, now. No. Oh, for fuck's sake, man.
Oh no!
Ugh. God damn it. It might be okay. Are you sure the MOSFETs are real? Yeah, they're pulled off a donor board. It's not easy, especially being right next to these caps. That's what's scaring me the most. And these are hot. So hot right now. Wait for it to cool down a bit before I clean it. Yeah, I did use that last time, Dan. I don't know why I didn't think about using it this time. I feel what you stress about chip placement. It can bug the crap out of you. Yeah, it can. Especially if it won't, surface tension won't bring it down. It's okay. It's okay. Let's give it a clip. Why is my IPA bottle leaking every time I pick it up? I believe that top one is probably sat perfectly. The bottom one, a bit skeptical about, but we'll see what it does. Ooh, I'll tell you what, I think I've accidentally gone through the ribbon anyway. Oh dear. That can also cause blood, right? Damn it. Judging by the heat shield, that got toasty. Oh, this, yeah. The whole thing is, if that's what you mean by the heat shield. Or, I don't know what you're on about, actually. Maybe don't plug in that ribbon. Yeah, I'm going to try it without. I'll plug the fan in instead, see if we have fan spin. That's cool. Okay. That ribbon can cause power issue. Yeah, I think I went through it as well. All right, here we go. Please, please, please spin. Nope, shuts back off. For fuck's sake, man. Oh, you are it, but it'll say about the power MOSFETs. I might try it off another board. Yeah, but I already used UART, and the original issue was the power of VRM MOSFETs. Now I've replaced 2, and now I can't get it to turn back on again. It was that, then it was yellow and blue. I really don't like doing these. This is the same issue I had last time. Okay. Power lead. No, Dan, it's working perfectly fine before. It would just shut off during games. So now why it's doing that is because I've changed these 2 MOSFETs that weren't lighting up when I launched the game. And that's why the PlayStation was shutting down, because they weren't lighting up. And now I've changed the FETs, and now it's not bloody working at all. Console service tools. Sony, PS5. This, whoops, wrong one. This one. See, that was the issue to begin with. And now the new issue we're getting is the same things, look. See? 2 phases. So I'm going to have to keep trying until it bloody works. Because that was the original fault. And now we're getting this red stuff. Now I'm saying about 2 phases because I've changed them both. Bah. Yo, the Clonish Farmer. Did it play Fierce? I don't know. I didn't try that. It's alright. I'll try get another PS5 board with the same MOSFETs and change them again. Actually, let me see which one lights up and which one don't. Because it might just be the one. It might just be the one that's not lighting up. Because before, these 2 never lit up at all, did they? Is it a consumer? Is it a consumer console? Consumer? What, consumer console? What do you mean? Or do you mean customer? It is a customer console, yeah.
Andy's the best.
Thanks, Russ. Yeah, neither of them are turning on. Yeah, neither of them two are. Hello, Nick. Ozzy. Hello, guys. Right, I'll get another PS5 board. Try different MOSFETs. Yeah, this is the PS5 I was avoiding. Now it's not in a working state at all. I mean, it wasn't when it first come to me. But now it's not again. So I've got it working, but not working properly. Now it's a stupid MOSFET issue still. Right, let me look for another board. I know that one wasn't. This one? What's this one? I know this is different revision. Don't know if that matters. I think these are the same ones. It's hard to tell. AYBA, B whatever it is. Yeah, okay, I'll use these ones. At some point, you should probably redirect them to more experienced technician. PCBs don't like to be soldered on multiple times in the same spot. You should probably redirect them to more experienced technician. What do you mean? I've done this before. But thanks for your input. It's very thoughtful of you. More experience doesn't always do better jobs. Alright, let me take these off. Well, I'm off then. Bye, PCDD. I think my messages are invisible. For some reason, it's changed to top chat again, not live chat, PCDD. I'm sorry. Why is it changed to top chat? Oh no. Yes, when I'm playing at 3, I know. Battery low, GD's fault. Don't worry, I've desoldered the same off the board like 12 times before. Gotta be gentle. Yeah, I know. Pew! Let me clean off these ones. Andy knows what he's doing. Oh yeah, I know. Don't worry. Thanks to Clunge Farmer. Don't worry. You just get some people that like to say their opinion, and I get that. It wasn't really negative. It looks like snow on that board. Yeah, I know it does. Right, what I might do is just... see, it doesn't look like it's... I'll just tin the pads on the MOSFET. I mean, on the board, and then just throw the MOSFET on top. She's usually pretty nice. Yeah, not towards me she isn't. That's why I blocked her before. She was being an asshole. Usually nice. It's alright, Dave. You get people like that. I will blocked better than blocked the better technician person. Blocked the better technician person. Yes, I did. Yes, once. Then I unblocked. But it's alright. I don't feel offended. That's why I haven't blocked. Because I know I'm good, and it's funny that the people that usually slates you don't actually show us their work anyway. But I understand, yeah, I could send it to a better, a more experienced technician, or redirect them to them. But I've done one of these before, the exact same issues, and I could do it again. And that customer still hasn't come back with the same issue. Oh, my iron's dead. Do really need to order a new iron. Oh yeah, let me change it from... Why is it changed to top chat? I swear I changed it to live chat when I first started streaming. Live chat. Right, I'm on live chat now. Blocked. We have read that already. Don't blame you. You get enough grief off girlfriends. It's cool. What are the chat restrictions? That PCDD. What are the chat restrictions? Oh yeah, I've done that now. I've changed it now. PCDD. Andy went to chop chat, not live chat. I'm on live chat now. Every technician is going to know a little something extra than other technician might not know. Yeah, 100%. These things suck to solder. Absolutely normal. I know. I know. I will clean this up before putting it back on. What? What the fudge? Why is it not separating? Stay like that. GT Auto. Hello. You always learn something new every day. 100%. Good morning. This is why most techs give it a try and abandon it unless you have unlimited time hack. Yeah. Don't worry, I'm going to get this working again. Don't worry. Maybe I should try putting them on this direction. It's a better idea, isn't it? All right, 2 new ones. Well, when I say new, I mean off another board. Those on the same plane. No need to. Oh, yeah, I know. Thanks, Rebel. That's why I said I'll leave it like that. I left pad vert. Wait, what? What is left pad vertical? Right hand side fully tinned. You're on about this row here. Yeah, it does look a bit more dull than the rest, doesn't it? I think it is. Just doesn't look very tinned. Oh, for God's sake, my flipping iron, man. Nope. It's not accepting solder again. Nope, my iron's not accepting solder. Why? I don't understand why it's doing that. It's like it's too hot and it doesn't like it. My whole tip's gone black. Okay, got it. There. I don't think my iron likes to be really hot. Okay, now it's tinned. You told me it was a good idea. Yeah, the tip isn't. I've had that tip for a while now. I need to replace it. The iron's good. It's the tip. I might have to change my tip a second. I use the hell out of BC1 all the time. Let's line it up this way. Really low airspeed. Although it's going to float away like crazy. Let's try that. Brass sponge, I've got one. So I'm going to use the SSD shield. Oh, I knew that was going to happen. And I picked up the wrong tweezers. There. Yep, thank you, Electric World. I know. More balance. I never said that I'm a better, more experienced, or better technician. I need to clarify. Yeah, I know, but it seems like a lot of people that is very quite judgmental seems to hide behind closed doors. Fair enough. I seen actual another YouTuber saying to me, or whatever, or someone actually shows their work. But no, and it's just an input anyway. I know, Aurelia. It's fine. It's just your input. I get it. It's fine. It's fine. I'm not offended. Welcome to the internet. 67 watching. What? Thanks for telling me. I forgot it's Valentine's Day. Oh, I didn't. As soon as I woke up, I was like, Happy Valentine's Day. I said, where's my gift? She goes, I am your gift. I goes, oh, it's broken. Can you return it? She wasn't happy. Andy said 6'7". Oh, for God's sake. She is broken. Glad I'm not the only one. Yeah. Will you be my Valentine? What the fudge? What do you think of the live stream so far? Forget about it. What? Why is the metal plate brown? Because this is a herb smoker, if you know what I mean. He likes to smoke the herb, or the herb if you're American. Ah, thog, it was, huh? This is a 420 Xbox. Well, it's a PS5, but yeah, close. PSV OLED GPU driver profile, for God's sake, 8-bit.
Oh no!
I didn't catch you in the stream yesterday. Did you sort the speaker out? Yeah, I sorted it out. Yep, it works. The speaker now works. And did you know what the issue was, Tommy? It was something that I've never come across before. And I learned something yesterday. You can still see the resin. You've done a good job cleaning it, though. Looks less sticky that yesterday. I still need to give it a proper clean, but tell me more. So the issue was actually the cable that had a break in the neutral, which then basically was just sending pure live to the speaker. And because the speaker's earthed to its back plate, it's just going straight back to earth. And that's why you get an electric shock. Very, very trippy. But I used my own cables, so that's why I never got shocked or anything. Yeah, I didn't realize. I thought I was using their cable, but I wasn't. I was using my own. Spicy speaker. Yeah. That's quite dangerous, isn't it? That's why they have pat testings. So, but the fact, I did not know that it could travel back through to earth point, and then because it's earthed and it's got nowhere else to go. I don't know. What am I looking for? Power cable. Where's the fan? It's getting hot in here. 3, 2, 1. Nope. Oh, for fuck's sake, man. Sounds a dangerous device if it does that from a broken cable. I know. He's spamming that heart button. I don't know. Always check the main. Yeah, that's the new protocol that I'm going to do now. Yeah. I mean, those FETs look perfectly soldered on now, so I don't know what's wrong with it. I'll try and reflow and push down at the same time. Maybe it's not having a good connection. Might need some weed to start up. Yeah, it might do. I mean, look, they look good. They look soldered fine. There's no knocked capacitors or anything. Yeah, they're slightly burnt. They're all on the same rate. I'll just have to push it down, reflow and push down. What did you say? It said these power MOSFETs. Because it was working. It wasn't working. It was beep on, beep off, like it's doing. And then I cleaned these MOSFETs down here. Then the console was working again, but it would start up a game, try to load, and then just shut off. And it's saying basically these power MOSFETs, something's wrong with it. So I've just tried changing them, and now I can't get the console to turn back on. I still have the 2 original power MOSFETs, so I might put them back on and see if I can get back to its same state. And then just do one at a time. I thought I'd change both, but I guess I'll do one at a time. They are the same brand. Ah! I know you can't see what I'm doing. I'm sorry. Damn it. Okay, that soldered was wetted. And this one is too. I don't know why it's getting darker. I bet I'll probably do this off stream and I'll get it working again, just like before. We can't see change scene, please. I did. Whoa, you guys talked way too much. For anyone interested, I found this on off because I missed it. Such as reducing noise and improving signal integrity in electronic. I missed what you put, the clunge. Sorry, mate. Check boot sequence would be faster than putting it back in the chassis. Yeah, that's true. That is a good shout, actually. Isolation transformers can be useful in repair environments. Yeah, I've heard about that before. The Clonish Farm, I'm not sure what the context is, as only just come out. I'll come back. But most audio equipments do not have earth to avoid noise and entering the audio chain. That's interesting. Systems, a protective earth, PE, is used for safety, preventing electric shocks by grounding exposed conductive parts. From what I've learned, they can be used as functional earth to reduce noise, discharge ESD, and a bunch of other stuff. Used a lot of audio and medical. Yeah, but how? What if your neutral is broke? So you've only got live and earth. What happens then, huh? You touch that earth and then you're gone. You have electric shock. We have the scope, mate. Oh yeah, we've got the scope. I forgot about that. You get a shock. Yeah, that's crazy, isn't it? So I could have died yesterday. It's Friday the 13th, so I'm kind of lucky being Friday the 13th that I've accidentally used my own cables and not theirs. Right, let's check the power sequence then. Let's have a look. 12 volts, ready? Watch the bench power supply. It's a normal boot sequence to me. See, it looks normal. Doesn't mean it's going to boot though, does it? It just means it's going to beep on, I guess. Still need to plug it in the chassis. So I've had that before with RAM module. There was a bad RAM. It actually turned out to be the APU. The boot sequence looked fine. But then when I actually went to turn it on and plugged it in, it was blue light on off. You get a shock, yes. But there are other ways to stop shock. What, by disconnecting the earth? Most audio equipment also attach a power conditioner. But not all devices are made equally. That's why devices will have a class rating. Oh, but I only know some basics about this stuff anyway. Trying to learn more though. UART said faulty VRM? Yes, it did. Yeah. That's one dirty. Yeah, it's a 420 console. I'm not going to put the heatsink back on. Clamp. Just going to plug the fan in, see if we get a spin. Constant spin. So the boot sequence shows fine. Oh, come on. Oh, Jesus. Jump in air when plugging it in. What? I mean, we have the same scope. Oh, do we? What, the little portable scope? But yeah, I could use the scope to see which one's not getting power. But I never thought about that. Anyway, here we go. 3, 2, 1. No, still the same. Yes, we do. It's pretty good. Yeah, it's all right. The easiest way to get stop shock is to get someone else to power it. Clear fault log and try again. You reckon? Would it be funny if that actually fixed it? Because it still thinks it's got a previous error. That's a good shout. I mean, it works for BIOS issues. In a minute, I'm just going to put the old 2 back on. 2 phases, power fail. Check Infineon. Check MOSFETs, APU side for shorts. Caps usually short, single beep. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Let's try that. No, still the same. Definitely on the right orientation in it. Yeah. The P's there, or the R. Ah. Might use my oscilloscope. Let me check. Oh, you guys can't even see. For God's sake, man. It's not the Infineon chip 8-bit because it was powering on before. Why would the Infineon chip suddenly fail after me changing these MOSFETs?
Oh no!
It's something to do with this area now. Is it supposed to leave 0 ohms? Read 0 ohms? I might just get my oscilloscope to it. Guess it is. Yeah, because they're all doing it. Diode mode. Let's have a look. 0.15 in diode mode. That's a bit weird, isn't it? 0.15. Well, actually, it's a minus 0.15. Yeah, I guess that's normal. Okay, and on this one, 0.003. Open line. Why is this getting open line? That's strange. This one's reading open line. This one's reading 0.003. Why are you open line, sir? 0.009. Why is it reading open line there then? But we're getting a reading there, but not on this resistor. Huh? Voltage is energy. Did you try replacing it? I don't need to replace the Infineon. It was powering up before I changed these two. It was booting up. What's going on there? Point 0.004. Open line. Open line. Open line. 0.5. 0.5. Why am I getting open line on the actual components? Doesn't make sense. Let's try resistance. No reading. No reading. No reading. No reading. We're getting a reading. 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 No reading though. No reading on that one. But we are getting a reading on the leg. I am well confused. Check resistance to chip. Oh, resistor to chip. Oh yeah. Continuity. God, this is hard. Yeah. Let's try the oscilloscope. See what that's saying. Actually, before I do, let me inspect that board properly, like the chips. What I'm going to do is probably move on and then do this off stream again. Put the scope on this, Andy. Yes, I am. I'm just checking the solder end joints, see if they are actually soldered. Good enough. I guess so. I pressed down on it. Where is it now? I don't think I can see there. They look lined up perfectly. But they don't look soldered though, do they? I might just have to try and go around it. Whoops. Nah, give them a run with the iron. Thing is, my iron's not playing ball with me today. Let's see what other iron tip I got that might help. So I've got the stupid J tip one. Let me get it out because all my iron tips have now come out. So I opened them up to use other ones. I like the conical, but it's dead. It's a big one. This one might work. This is what happens when you buy a pack of 20. 20 different tips. Got one more, but I think it's just well overkill. There's no point even getting it out. That's a lot of tips. Yeah, I've got a pack of 20. Multiple pack of 20. So, what's the preferred one? Now, I've got a little tiny chisel one here, or whatever you call it. Is it a knife or a chisel? Just take my fingers. Or you've got the bigger one. Or I've got some spiky ones. I've got some J1s. Just a flat, I don't know. That one. Oh, crap. Either a small knife or BC. Of BC. Small knife. So that'll be, where did it go?
I've
This
got
one.
a really small one.
This, have you, James? This one. That's K. Yeah, this is a KU. I'll try a KU then. Yeah, that's a KU, yeah. Right. Oh, mucky? It's been tinned before I put it away, I think. Yo, interesting things. Hi. KU could work. Still a little big, but looks okay. Okay, let's try that. Just waiting for it to warm up. Smoking. See, this is super shiny. Wow, sort of. I don't know how to use these. I guess just put solder on it and then run it up and down. I'm going to have to put fresh solder on it now. This is 330 degrees at the minute. Because at 360, it tend to burn the hell out of it. It's going all black. Let's put some fresh solder on it. On that side. That looks massive. That's way too big. It's too big. That's what she said. I think. Or is it getting it? I don't know. It's hard to tell. It just doesn't feel nice. Might be off by 10 to... What? Up or lower? High, I usually have 360. But my other tip was like crap. You might want to calibrate your tip iron. Well, I think to be fair, my old tip was dead. That's why too much coating's come off of it. Nah, this just feels wrong. Just feels completely wrong. So let's go in black already. No, don't like that tip. I really can't stand the knife tips. You have not enough heat on the tip. Yeah, but it feels like it's scraping through everything. Don't like that. Let me try. Wait, I've got 2 KUs. Okay. What's this one? This one might do. It's like a pencil. Yeah, this one might work. That was the bloody flat side. Join the BC crew. Oh, really? Hello, Sean. Not Sean. Is it Sean? No. What do you mean, what is it? I don't know. I can't see what it is now. Yeah, this feels better. Just needs to be hotter. No, 360 should be plenty. It's just not hot enough. And my tip's going black again. The solder's just going black. Well, it doesn't feel like it's touching it. Man. No, I'm sticking back to my original tip. Screw this one. And this one, by the way, was a BL. Just need to sort out my BC1 a bit more. Just needs to try and accept the solder at the end of the tip again. I think it grabbed some then. So this is my favorite tip. But it's still, look how black it's making it. Do you know what? Heat and solder and iron. Yeah, that looks soldered to me. No, my tip's not accepting soldering. What is going on with my fucking tip? I need to order a new one. No, it's not accepting any solder again. Smoking myself out.
He's the best.
What am I doing? I'm getting very stressed now. One, because why the hell is my microscope so fucking dark now? And it shouldn't be. I've changed all my settings. And two, its iron tip's not accepting solder anymore. That's already so bright. Why is it not working? Let's make it brighter then. That's ridiculously overexposed. I think that's shorted there now, look. And I clean my tip, I always tin it afterwards, and yet it still dies. And it stinks of burn. Let's give it a good ass scrape. Give it a good scrape. Nah, it's toast. I have the 951. No, it's 951. No, I don't have clip tuners. It's T12 951. Get the Dremel on it and grind. No, I think it doesn't like 360 degrees. I think some sort of coatings come off of it and now it's just burning everything. I've turned the temperature down. Now it seems to be sticking. Why? It doesn't like being too hot. Anyway, which one didn't look so good? Is it the one on the left or the right? I think wool is the issue. No, I'm not going to do that. Okay. So look, it's gone black instantly, and that's at 330 degrees. And it stinks. No, now it stopped accepting it again. Nah, this tip's cooked. If any tip had black brown on it, it would not take solder. No, I think the coating's just completely gone from it. It's just not having anything, and it's burning everything instantly. Looks kind of good there, but it's, I don't know, it's just not the same anymore. That's going in the bin. I'm sick of it now. I'm gonna have to just try and deal with I'll have to deal with it. Oh god. With another tip. BC2. It's the next big step up. That could work. That could work. Yeah, these are cheap tips. Right, let's try that. BC2, my favorite. It's massive. And yeah, it will take the solder straight away. Yeah, there you go. Straight on the tip. But I want it all round. Yeah, this is taking it lovely. Let's go up to 360. Look how shiny that is now. I think that tip was just dead. Still too hot. Which one anyway needed topping up? Yeah, see, that's working lovely. I think that's it for that. Let's try this one now. It's all on the same plane. Nope, still can't get the angle at it. Yeah, there you go. Don't stop talking. No, I like the burnt flux. No, see, even this iron looks like it's getting too hot. Can't get in there. No, that resistor's in the way. There we go. I'll sort that resistor out afterwards. This tip's way too big. Once it's burnt, you're scrubbing for ages to clean it up. That'll do. Hey. Oh, for God's sake. I say knocked it. All right. Fuck's sake. I'm going to throw this PS5 board out the window in a minute. That'll do. It's not going to help this console anyway, because I don't see why it wasn't fine the first time round. White Shmoo makes it horrible. It does. It's horrible. It's disgusting stuff. But in reality, it actually looks pretty clean. It's not too bad. I just need to go over it again with more IPA just to clean it up. Right, if this is not working, I'm going to move on and then come back to it later. It's pissing me off. Bad day? Yeah, with this. Make sure no bridges now just in case. Nah, it's fine. There will be bridges, but on the same rails. Three, two, one. Oh, maybe if I put the power button in. Yeah, coffee and a vape. I don't want a coffee. Nope.
And he's the best.
Let's try the oscilloscope. See what's going on. I'm going to zoom out for this bit so you guys get a good view. Watch you are say, oh, I don't want to go into. Russ. Thank you. Where are you, Russ?
Rusty Russ Repairs tipped £6.90.
$10.
Give me money, money me, money now. Me a money needing a lot now.
Oh, that's an actual way. Thank you so much. Thank you, mate. Thank you, Russ. Thank you so much. And that was straight to PayPal. Amazing. Thank you. Give me money. Money me. Money now. Me a money needing a lot now. Oh. Oops. America is on welfare currently. What's that mean? Yes, Mookie. I will. I love my BC ones. I can't use any other tips, I guess, because I haven't had any practice with them. Right, let's do the lowest millivolts first. Well, why is it getting crazy readings already? Let's have a look. Can't even see. Let's do this bit first. It's going mental. Is that not a good ground? That might not be a good ground. It's 1 gallon of gas. Yeah, I guess that is still ground. It's just bouncing everywhere. Let me change the voltage. 1 volt, 2 volts. Oh, it's not really showing anything. Maybe it's just not getting anything. Is it the time that's doing that? Trying to slow it down. All right, let's try this cap then. I'm not getting anything. I'll try another one. This one, what are you reading? Nothing? Yeah. I think that one showed something for a little bit then. Yeah, see that one glitched it all over the place. This one's glitching all over the place. Yeah, that's like wavy. Now that one did. Unless it's just a fluke. No, I don't know what's going on. I saw a wave on there. I don't know how to use a oscilloscope. Yeah, that one's waving too. I'm just seeing for patterns. It needs to be in DC. It is in AC actually. Oh. It's because I was doing the right, maybe auto then. Now it's in DC. Thank you.
Oh no!
I know exactly. For God's sake. I want this to go up. Right, that's probably why. Now I've got no line. What? Where did the line go? The line shot all the way at the top there. Would that be the wattage? Yeah. 10 volts, 5 volts. Alright, let's try 10 volts. Nothing on there. But it's just flat lining up there. I guess that means it's normal. Yeah, it goes up a little bit and then dies. Goes up a little bit, then dies. What about this side of the FET? No life. This side of the FET? No life. Down the bottom here. Yeah, it's got life there. Life here. Yeah, life there. So we're not getting any output of the FET, which obviously, but why? On both of them. It just shows them not lighting up at all. The thermal cam just shows no lighting up. I'm just going to put the old ones back on, see if I can get it back to its original state, and then just try and change one at a time. Infineon chip shield. No. See, it's very quick. Just these two light up now. It just dies so quick. Our MOSFET's no good. Well, I've used 2 different lots from 2 different boards. Let me put the original ones back on quick. 2 pulse of heat then off. Yeah, it's not. Or I'll put one on first from the original one. See if any difference. two. Oh God. It's in my bin somewhere. Oh no. No. Pretty sure I threw them in my bin. Did I throw them in my bin? They're above the board. No, they're not. That's not the original ones. Pretty sure the original ones I threw in here. Because I've used two different lots now. Oh, wait. Yeah, I used two different lots from two different boards. Wait. Maybe I didn't throw it in the bin. Did I throw them in the bin? There are two sets. I've used 3 sets. Yeah, I used 3 sets. 4 from one board, 2 from another. Pretty sure. Should I just change the Infineon chip anyway? See if that would help. So I don't think it's a MOSFET issue now. Do it. What was on today's stream? You didn't. They're above the board. You didn't. I didn't throw it in my bin. I don't know how many I used now. I've gone through so many. Oh, there's a port there. Oops. 2 Infineon? I don't think so. So this could be the originals here. But they look too clean to be the originals. It won't be the Infineon chip, but I'll change it anyway. Where is it? There it is. Changing this, and if it's still no change, I'm going to move on for a sec. Let's see if I've got a spare one. Oh, of course I've got a spare one. There's one down here. I'll take the spare one off first. Where is it on the different board? Infineon. There you are. Let's get this one off then. All right, thanks GT Auto. Hello, Wes. Enjoy. Hello, Michael. Why is it top chat? I don't know, because it's really annoying. Oh, I'm having my fume extractor on because I've just been sucking up so much fumes today. It's disgusting. Hello there, Andy. My Switch replacement ports are on. Oh, I didn't know you bought some. Oh, very nice. This tip's way too big. Simon Pegg, eh? Cleanly done. Thank you, Quego.
Andy's the best.
Thanks, Ross. All right, this isn't going to make any difference at all, by the way. Beep? What's beep? Beautiful, thank you. Happy Valentine's Day, I guess. It's not going to make any difference. No, still the same. The issue is those two FETs. And I just don't understand why. Fucking thing, I'm going to fucking snap it in a minute. So... I'll change one at a time. Back to these first ones here. Maybe these are the original ones, but I don't see it being. It could be. Could be the originals. Send it to treadmill. There. That's dead on, like near enough every corner. I'll touch up with the BC2 because the board is still hot. Might help it better. Andy, my advice to revisit for later on stream. I know I am, because I'm getting sick of this now. Let me just replace these two more again. Did I do this side already? There, I'll just leave it like that. Yeah, it looks like there's none on the left, but I'm sure it'll be fine. I'm sick of this. I don't know which ones are which now. I'm just getting all confused with these MOSFETs. Power button, douchebag. Right. Chris F, don't you ever sleep? That would do. That would do. Injects max voltage, yeah, with the full amps, yeah, all over the board, with IPA all over it, yeah. It's got to work now. It's got to work. I mean, these pads look worse for wear now. No, I'm not, Joe. Thanks for asking. These MOSFETs, I think in the future I'm not going to do any. If it's got MOSFETs issue, I'm going to be like, nah, I can't. Too much of a pain. Just buy a new PS5. But, like I said, I bet I'll do this off stream and it'll work again. I'll leave the light out. Ugh. Sorry, mate. No, don't worry. Don't worry. He's vexed by this PS5. I am. Fet's definitely getting the right signals in. I don't know. It was working all fine before. Don't believe it. It's fixed. It's on. Well, it's not fixed. It's back to its working state again.
And he's the best.
No, I'm not the best. I think what I've been doing wrong is not putting enough pressure down while reflowing. But that's staying on. But I don't have video. I think it might have just overheated. No. No video. Oh, there you go. There's the PS logo. It's just restarted. Alright, we're on. You are the best. I'm not. It's frustrating. Alright, I've got to shut it down and see if it crashes on a game. Because this could be the original FEX again. Thanks, my service. It's not fixed. I've got this far before. I've just got to load a game and see if it doesn't crash before I could call it fixed. I just hope I put different MOSFETs on it. At least I could do one at a time, though. Alright, let's have a look. FETs had different numbers. Does that matter? I don't know. I don't think it does. It's more like manufacturing dates rather than what it is. Alright. It's not going to connect to my Wi-Fi, is it? Is it going to connect to my Wi-Fi? I need it to load. Actually, it probably didn't even make it to the game last time, did it? Then you are the second best. I can feel that fan's ramping up. It might overheat. I think it might overheat. I can feel that fan ramping up. Well, it's not got this far before. Yes, it has. Now that's going to overheat. There you go. It's either crashed or overheated. I reckon it crashed. Because it shouldn't have overheated with the clamp like that, should it? But then again, it is arc raiders. Let me redo this paste. Actually, do I just... Let me see what UART reads. Liquid metal. Yeah, there's liquid metal on there, but it's not spread out nicely, but it's still on there. Da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. What? Oh, I took the power cable out. You bugger. Right, the last crash log was this, I think. Yeah, APU overheat. Ooh, yeah, there you go. Failed to access thermal sensor, APU overheat initialization. So I think it's overheated. I think. It doesn't say anything about the MOSFETs anymore. That's a weird reading. All right, let me clear it. Right, we have no more errors on there. So let me put it together properly, sort of. Dry paste. Try placing some dry ice on the seal. Could do. Obviously, that's not got no more stuff on it neither. Blue stuff. I'll sort all that out properly afterwards if it's working. Blow weed smoke at it should work. This is why I put it quite high on the cost of repair, because I know it's a pain in the ass for me to do. And it's still probably not even fixed. Yeah, the liquid metal is on it. It's just not spread nicely yet. And the fan wasn't in properly to keep it cool. Wow. That is oxidized a lot. It's black. What? It's getting there, almost done. do. Do I think this is going to work? No. But at least it's back to a normal state again. She's a squeaker, yeah. Or no IPA. Hi, Nathan. Hi, Nathan. Who's Nathan? Wow. What is it doing? It's like it's still really badly oxidized. It's not adhering. There you go. Now it's doing it. Here it's not. There you go. Okay, that's that one. Has anyone tried to use TPM 7950? I did on my laptop, but I think I bought a fake one because it's crap. Went back to thermal paste and it's fine. From past people, in case he's watching, he wouldn't. I don't think I've ever seen him on here. No, he won't be on it. If it doesn't spread, there's still oxidation. Needs more cleaning. Yeah, but there's only so much cleaning I can do without that polishing stuff. Okay. I'm going to try and put it on there properly. Take out UART. Don't need UART now. Oh, they're there. Oh, what day. Gonna miss football as well, look. Let's leave that unplugged. I may have to replace the ribbon cable for him for the LED because I think I've punctured through it. It's like one of the strips of not working. This should have enough blue paste on it. Ugh. Oh, I'm not screwing it on. Just, this is a very cold shield, so hopefully it should keep it cooler for longer. Oh, I pressed the wrong button. Why did that happen? No, it's not Vin Diesel. It's never like Vin Diesel. I must have actually hit my controller. Then try to use it everywhere, like 9 out of 10, it's not needed. Thanks, Nandlefix. That confirms it should be well. Okay, cool. All right. Ugh, it's so stiff to put in. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Fuck off. I give up this thing. I give up. I'm not done. I can't do this. I'm done with it. Come back to it or something. Same thing as original. This is the exact same first one I ever got. So I've put the same ones on there, the same FETs. So these are the original FETs. Oh, I'll continue with this tomorrow or later. I'm not doing it anymore. Bin's too full now where I've taken stuff out. The lid won't close at all. So yeah, it's back to its original fault. Stupid thing. Because as soon as I took it apart and took off that blue stuff, then it started working again, so... Alright, I will order a BC1 tip. Keep us posted. Yeah, I will. It's easier to do it off stream because I'll take my time and I could just walk away for a little bit without having to abandon you guys. And yeah. That's what it is. It's trying to keep you guys entertained. Nah, not really. Right, let me go get the next thing. I've got a few more minutes until football. So this isn't worth repairing, but why not? This is no power. They've replaced the power supply, and it still doesn't work. They said it's dead. Replace the FETs. Go away. All right, let me confirm the issue. What's that? Oh, it's a foot. Ripped a foot off. There's only 2 feet anyway. Yeah, it's a 1S. Alright, do we get fan spin? No. Pressing the power button. Yeah, it's dead. Cool. Then it'll be easy, that's what I said. Means it's probably a 12-volt short. Dead power supply? Nope, they've already replaced the power supply. I've already replaced that. MOSFET, yeah. They've broken a bit of the plastic at the side there. for 18 bucks. Don't know what that is in Great British pounds, maybe 12, 13. Yeah, I'd get it. I guess. Unless you want to keep it. If you want to keep it, then yeah, but for reselling, not so much for us. Be lucky to get £30. Right. Where did the... Oh, no. Where's my T8? T9? T10? Wait, what? T6? Oh, there is T8. I don't think these are T8s anyway, are they? They're T10s. T9s, maybe? Yes, T10. Oh, these screws are not even in properly. They're all gone sideways. Why do people throw so much disgusting shit over there? I have no idea. Absolutely no idea. Is it just a 3 for the power supply? Yeah. I guess the disk drive has to come out first. Damn it. At this point, might as well undo it all. I think this is not the first Xbox One you've opened. I see this is not no. The fudge, man, get out! Haven't I missed any? I have missed one. No tutting on chat, yeah. £16.68. Oh, right. Yeah, that's about normal for us. There we go, finally. Right, let's have a look at the power supply. Yeah, this is a new one. It feels very cheap, so it's new. Let's see if we get the 12Vs. Should do, being a new power supply. Ugh. The fuck? Yeah, we get 12 volts. Power supply's fine. Let's see if there's a short on the 12 volt rail. Yes, there is. Easy pizza. Easy pizza, hopefully. And it will probably be liquid damage under air or something. I don't know. I've got to change tip to T8. 12 volt short, yeah. What can you tell by someone's bicycle? I saw GT Auto said about the car. It'll be one of the 3 MOSFETs. Well, sad news for them. I don't have spare boards, 1S boards for MOSFETs. So I'll have to order them. It's not bloody worth it. Unless they're the same on like Series S boards. Dave's, it's working again, but no. No, it's not working again. We're back on blue light of death. It was working, then I put it back together, and then it stopped working. So it's back. I've put the original FETs back on, and it's back to its original state. Oh, it's got one of these on it. Didn't know that. Ugh. That you don't like to do maintenance. Alright, let's put that over there. I'm running out of space. I did accidentally snap that connector. So dusty. Alright, let's inject 12 Vs. Not 12 volts. 1 volt. Now, where's a positive rail on here? I guess I could just solder it straight to one of these. Straight to this inductor. Okay, where's my black? Or I could just use my lead. Thermal cam. Phone. Inject plus thermal cam. Yeah. That's exactly what I'm doing. Why have I got WhatsApp message? What's that? Oh, yeah. Okay. Right, let's turn that down to 1 volt. No, not 10 volts. 1. Right, we're at 1 volt for the bench power supply. In 3, 2, 1. What are we pulling? Saw it then. 1.2 amps. Nothing as of yet. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I just saw it over here. What was that? What's that? That's getting hot. Don't know if you guys can see. I don't think you can. It's like a capacitor to me. Oh, I hate the auto brightness stuff. Am I pulling it? Yeah, 1.3 amps. That's weird. Can't see it now. Oh. Oh, it's gone. I think I'm going to have to hire it. Yeah. Stop. Why does it keep bloody disappearing? I've got such small probes. Let's go to 1.5 amps. There you go. Put in 2.3, 1.5 volts. Ah, why does it come up with the APU? Why?
I've got a really small one.
Oh yeah, look, we've got something lighting up there as well. What's that? That is a MOSFET. Hang on. Hold on. Oh yeah, it might be a MOSFET that's... Damn it. That MOSFET there, I think. Yeah. That MOSFET just... Is it the MOSFET driver? Oh, it's up there. That's the MOSFET driver. No, I can't pinpoint it. That thing. This one? No, this one. Yeah, it's this thing. Okay. It's that. It's a MOSFET driver. And you can see some sort of gunk there as well. Could be liquid damaged. Ah, yeah, there you go. Liquid damaged. There you go. I wonder if a quick clean will sort it out. Let's take a picture for the customer. I wonder if a clean will sort it out. Probably dead. Another FET. Yeah, these ones are bigger, so they're easier. But I don't have these. I don't have 1S boards. Wait, what about the 1X? Are they similar? I think it's the driver that's failed, though, not the MOSFET itself. Unless the MOSFET's making the drive. Bless me. Unless the MOSFET's... I'm going to sneeze again. Oh, bless me. It's the smaller MOSFETs. Oh, right. Oh, these are MOSFETs, not the driver. I don't look like the driver to me. These two look like they're bridged. Thank you. Thank you. QD94. Yeah, exactly that. This one's okay. It's this little boy. Let's see if that's relieved the short. Continuity. Wait, what am I doing? Yep, short's... No. Oh, man. Short's still there. Let's take it off quickly. Have a look.
Oh no!
Yeah, is the what do the 1Xs have these? Because I'm just going to use my 1X as a parts board at this point until I get... I don't know. Good way to find out you're like sneezing. What do you mean? That smells. Actually smells like pee. Smells nice. Cat's peed on it. 1S does, not sure about the X. Yeah, this is the 1S, so. Oh man. Cat Pitho. Alright, let's have a look. Short's gone. 3, 2, 1. Yes, I want to say short's gone. What we're reading in ohms. On 12 volt, we're reading. 4.6 kilo ohm, 5 kilo ohms, 6 kilo ohms. Yeah, it's just a bad fit. Oh.
And he's the best.
How much are they to buy? What FET is it? Let's have a look. It's a 4C50. £1.55 on DigiKey, £10 from AliExpress. That's not worth it. Amazon, oh, £8.9. Is it Prime? Not Prime. Maybe if I type in that MOSFET and then I put Series S. No, it's only for the 1Ss. Oh. Nope, it is for the 1X as well. Because Replace Base sells 10 packs for Xbox One S, 1X, MOSFET, N channel, 4C50. So it is on the 1X as well. Good question. Source to ground? Source to drain, rather? Well, if it's liquid damaged, I think it'll be fine. Let's have a look. Where's the gate? Let's have a look. Gate will be here. Good there. Good there. Good there. Yeah, we're good there. It's fine. So the question is, do I strip down my bloody Series X, 1X, just to grab this driver, or a little MOSFET even? Check the big one. It's fine. It's not shorted anymore. That's good. Please. I'll have to do it after football. Strip, strip, strip. Well, I'll have to let the customer know how much it's going to be. It's not even going to be a lot. You could buy these second hand for 50 quid. Yeah, I will remove the big one. Actually, it's a good shout, juiced. Clean around that area. See, I could only charge 30 quid for this. £45. See, I said 30. They just bought a new power supply as well. That's sad. Can it work without that? I don't know. I can see if it beeps on. I'd ultrasonic it. Yeah, that's a good shout. Do a good ultrasonic. What, just for that one little area? Wouldn't the speaker get damaged as well? Great suggestion. Ultrasonic takes ages to start up. 50 quid for a used S, really? Probably even cheaper than that. If I go onto my Facebook, which I don't even use anymore, let's go onto Marketplace. I don't even look like that anymore. If I type in 1S. Okay, well that was 80 quid. No one's selling 1S's on the marketplace. Because they're shit. Alright, let me expand the location. Let's go throughout the whole world. You see 45. Still no Xbox One S. £80, yeah, £45. There you go. It's just that's in Bristol. So if you live in Bristol, we £55 in Gloucestershire, £50 in Hampshire. They're not worth much at all. Cheaper on eBay. £40. Oh, that might be faulty though. Sexy Laundry, if you're interested. £35 just listed. Comes with power, no controller. Comes with power cable, no controller. Cash and collection. Yeah, I guess it's worked. £35. It's just not worth it. Yeah, them are some cheap consoles. Yeah, that's what I mean. I could probably only charge 30 quid. No, it's not worth sweating over. Maybe they care about saying. Well, I'll let them know. I'll let them know while I'm watching football. Hey, I diagnosed it. It's liquid damage. It's caused a chip to blow. To replace this, it's going to cost blah, blah, blah. Would you like me to continue? If not, it'd be a £15 bench fee. Yeah. It is beyond economic repair, 100%. But sexy pictures, £45. Charge for that? No, I won't charge for this. There's no point. Bench fee's not really warrant on this sort of thing. I had one that was liquid damage and I did everything you were doing. Turned out to be a balloon CPU. Oh, really? What? I could quickly see if it'll power on without a MOSFET on there. One of the phases. So we know what Andy looks like on Marketplace. I don't ever go on it. Big whole spot on the APU. Yeah, there was a spot in the corner. The APU was warming up. But I've had it before, didn't I, with that Series S, when it turned out to be a RAM chip. I was injecting voltage, and it was the APU warming up, and people were like, oh, yeah, you injected way too much. It's going to kill. It's probably dead now. The APU's dead. And I still changed the RAM, and it worked. So it might not be the case. Do it? Yeah, I am going to change it. Oh, what? Try it with it? Oh, try it. Oh. Right, where's the... Try it without the... Don't know if it'll overheat, though. Quick, where's the heatsink? What do I do with the heatsink? I'll sit with that. Which one's the power button one? This one. Plug it in, baby, plug it in. Right, here we go. Eat sync first. That's why I'm not putting the X clamp on. Hello, Phil. I'm going in a minute, mate. Sorry. Yep, staying on. Fixed. leave it with the. Oh, their port don't look too healthy neither. That's pretty wobbly. Yeah, there you go. Something went wrong. E106. I'll give it back to them like this, but 30 quid, don't play any games. Just let it boot into the dashboard. Use it as a CD player. Yeah.
And he's the best.
Thanks, I'm not. I've got to sort that PS5 out still, which is a pain in the ass. But I'll let them know the situation. It shows a pic. Yeah, it showed a display. It said error 106, and it was in blue. I guess because it means the hard drive not plugged in. So in this case, it's fine. No, fuck Valentine's Day. I don't think any of us on here care about Valentine's Day. Right, I'm going to go then, guys, because football starts in 15 minutes. So I'm going to have to do that. I will come back after stream. It'll probably be around, I don't know what time. It might be quite late. I don't know. I'm proud of you didn't smash that PS420 to bits. Oh, God. I care. I love you all, guys. Oh, love you all, guys. Love all you guys. I've got to take the missus to dinner. No worries. I'll see you in a bit. Thanks, everyone, for watching. 80 people! What? That's crazy. Just to see a or 1S. That's mentals. You guys, go spend time with your girlfriends. Anyway. Thanks, G2Auto, Rick, Michael, Mookie, Chris, you're welcome. Joe, Ozzy, Tom, Dave's, Acetone, Phil, DJC, see you soon. Thank you. I've just arrived. Oh yeah, I'm going. Football's on. What girlfriends? That's true. Bye, Chill. Bye, Anthony. Happy Valentine's Day to babes. Will do. Simon, thank you, mate. Hope you'll all get blowies tonight. Oh, I will. Yep, thank you. Bye, guys. I'm going. I'll see you after football. Maybe about 6 o'clock-ish. I need to get these done so I can have a nice relaxing day tomorrow. Right, I'm going in 3, 2, bye, Sloth, 1. Happy Valentine's Day all, and bye.